Welcome to today's beading tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make this stunning bugle bead choker that also doubles as a bracelet. It's elegant, lightweight, and perfect for any occasion. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced beader, you'll love how simple yet beautiful this design is. Minimum material and maximum impact. Let's start with the bugle beads. These are 6 bugle beads. You can choose any color of your choice. I will be using black and copper. These are my 6 bugle beads. And then we need some 11 seed beads, which I am taking in this gold color. And this is all that is required. 6 bugle beads and 11 seed beads. Some fishing line to weave, a lobster clasp and a chain. What I love about this project is that no fancy material is required. With simple beads, we can make this elegant piece of jewelry. I'm starting with 4 seed beads. Tie a couple of knots. And now go through 1 seed bead. This is how we start. Pick 1 seed bead and go through the next seed bead. Again 1 seed bead. Go through the next seed bead. In this way, I am going to add 4 seed beads. This is the 4th seed bead. And now go through this popping out seed bead. Pick 1 bugle bead, 3 seed bead and 1 bugle bead. I have taken black to start with. Now hold the thread properly. Pick 1 brown bugle bead and 1 seed bead. Maintain the tension of the thread. And now go through the center seed bead which we had added along with the black bugle bead. Pull it properly and go back through 1 seed bead and brown bugle bead. Go back through the same base seed bead. Now go through the next 2 seed bead. Repeat what we have made just now with the bugle beads and the seed beads. One brown bugle bead and a gold seed bead. At this point, you have to be careful about the tension of the thread. Don't let it loose. Go back through the seed bead and the brown bugle bead and through the base seed bead like this. We have made 2 units. Now go through the next 2 seed beads and make 2 more of these units on the next 2 popping out seed beads. So once all 4 have been done, turn around and go back through the bugle bead and the seed bead. I'm going through the black bugle bead, which is at the back side. Go through the middle seed bead and the next seed bead and the black bugle bead. Pick one gold seed bead and go through the next black bugle bead and the seed bead. Go through the next seed bead, the seed bead and the black bugle bead. Add one more 11 seed bead here. Go up through the black bugle bead and the golden seed bead. Now go through the center seed bead. Here I am going to add a loop for the clasp. You can pick the clasp along with the seed beads. I am not picking it right now, I will add it later. Go through this loop once again to make it secure. And now turn around, go through the seed bead and the bugle bead and add the seed bead in between as we have done twice before. One seed bead over here and one over here, and then exit from this seed bead. Cut the starting tail. This is the front portion. Look how the copper bead is shining. And now go through this center seed bead. From here we will proceed further. Pick 3 seed beads and go through this middle seed bead. Go through the next seed bead and construct a unit of the bugle bead, 3 seed bead and bugle bead on this seed bead. Same as we have previously done. And now it's time to add the brown bugle bead. Now go through this base seed bead and the next seed bead. For this place, I am going to pick one seed bead, one bugle bead, one seed bead, one bugle bead, and one seed bead. So I have taken 2 black bugle beads and 3 seed beads. And now I am going through the next seed bead and make the same unit as on the opposite side. Always maintain the tension of the thread correctly. to get a beautifully finished piece of jewelry. Now go through the next 3 seed beads. Go up through the next seed bead and the black bugle bead, like this, and then through this one seed bead. Now pick 4 seed bead and go through this one seed bead. Go through the next seed bead. Pick one seed bead and go through the next seed bead. Again one seed bead and go through the next. One more seed bead and go through the next. And now go through this first seed bead. And now it's time to add the copper bugle bead and one seed bead. Going through the center seed bead, this one. Go back through the seed bead and the bugle bead, and then through the base seed bead. So we have again made one unit, and now go through the next 2 seed beads, and as we have previously done, make 3 more on these 3, 1, 2 and 3 seed beads, just like these. And then you have to make this 4 seed bead unit and continue as we have already done. I have completed the length of the bracelet, and now I am adding the seed bead that goes in between the bugle beads. But before that, I will add the clasp at the appropriate place. Go through this loop and the clasp once again. Wasn't that easier than it looked? This project comes together beautifully once you get the rhythm of the pattern, and the result is so elegant. I hope each step was clear and you are feeling confident about your new choker or bracelet, whatever you are planning to make. If you had fun making it, you are definitely ready to try more designs like this. And now, once the loop is secured, go through the next seed bead and the bugle bead and add the one seed bead in the next 3 spaces. And that's it. You've just made this elegant bugle bead and seed bead choker that can also be worn as a bracelet. I hope you enjoyed creating it as much as I did. Sharing it with you is always a pleasure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new beading tutorial. Until next time, happy beading. Bye bye and take care.